Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to get Captain Arctic Blizzard. The event is now arrived, just arrived. I tried 2 hours ago. It has been already arrived, so I am going to show you how to get Captain Arctic Blizzard. So let's start. This is the event in which you can get the Captain Arctic Blizzard. Just you have to complete all these challenges. Easy challenges is this, and you have to complete this all to get the Captain Arctic Blizzard. Now let's see what are the challenges. You have to first kill the 10 enemies with score 6 to first get the first reward, that is credits and battle pass. Second is the ATV Arctic Digital, the quad bike, and the third is the Arctic Blizzard that show Arctic captains is there, and fourth poster, and fifth is the Arctic Blizzard, which you can get by completing win 5 TPM matches engineering perk. So this is what I have done for Captain Arctic Blizzard. Now I am going to show you how to get Man of War Nuclear Fallout. Here you can get the Man of War Nuclear Fallout gun by exchanging these items. See here. This is the Man of War Nuclear Fallout gun, most amazing gun in the Call of Duty and the most awaited gun in Season 7. So this you can get by getting these. You have to play in the high-res map and juggernaut mode to get these items, and these items will be we can exchange with these items as shown. You have to get 500 these and these. So you, if after exchanging, you will get the nuclear Man of War Fallout. So this is guys. Please subscribe my channel. All this is all. Please subscribe on my channel if you like it. Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon beside. Please encourage me.